Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan Creator bringing to you a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for giving my video a try. I hope you stick around and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so you'll always be notified when a new video comes out. Hey! So any noise you hear in the background, it's the rain. Can you hear it? Raindrops are falling on my head. Alright, so I need to do this quick so I can go back to bed because there's no better time to sleep than when it's raining. So this is day one drawing of Inktober with Moonlight I'm drawing it after 21 days of drawing digitally. After rewatching my videos, I realized that I said digitally really weird. Digitally, what kind of word is that? But anyhow, so the first day when I drew Moonlight, I just wanted it to be over. I can't even remember if I said I liked the outcome, but back then I may have actually liked it because I didn't think I could have actually finished an illustration. And I always felt something was wrong. I didn't like the placement of the skirt, and everything just looked wrong. Her shoulders were like, and all that, just like, something is off about this thing. So I was happy to redraw the first day, but sadly I realized that a lot of things on the first day I didn't like. I didn't like the skirt. I literally half-assed that whole video, but that whole drawing, because I didn't like the shirt. I didn't like the shirt for sure. The jersey thing I made, the green halter top, I did not like the skirt. I did not like it, and I was really excited to redraw this drawing because most of the drawings I was really happy with, especially the later ones as I got more into it. But I was really not happy with this first one. So I was like, hey, it's a good way to test myself to see how much I improved. Sorry, to see how much I improved. But it didn't just work out like that, unfortunately. I don't know if I was overthinking the drawing or what, but I found myself not liking anything I drew. Seriously, I don't know why. I was just overthinking it, and I was just like, you know what? I'm going to stress myself out. I'm just going to leave it for another day. And I came back the next day and I was still frustrated. And then I was like, you know what? Maybe knowing that recording the art is what was bothering me. So I took off the OBS. I took off OBS from recording, and then I drew two poses. So apparently it was the nervousness, knowing that all my mistakes was being recorded. I was very frustrated, so I just took that pressure out and I was able to get two poses. And the second one is the one I like the most. It told a story, because for some reason I always like my drawings to tell a story. And yeah, I went with that one, and I realized I changed the skirt. I made it way shorter. And one thing I realized, a permanent top for Moonlight, which is her lace black top. Yeah, and I want a tattoo for her leg, but it had to wrap around. But maybe it might be a full length flower, like how Jacqueline DeLeon does have a whole leg full of flowers on her drawings. Maybe. But then I have to remember the drawing at the end. So yeah, so enjoy the video. Enjoy it. I'm not gonna talk through the whole thing. Yeah, and I'll see you at the ending. Bye.
These bags that I'm carrying are so overbearing, but I won't leave them unattended like we have pretended we'll grow. So overrated and royally jaded, won't sleep till we made it, strolling on stages of gold.
Golden lights on an island. We'd be pirates
Lovelies. So here I am at the end of the video. I'm really happy with how it came out. If I keep that into your side, because I'm looking at the video right now, and I'm really happy with how everything came by. And for the final test, I decided to pull up day 1 of Inktober and put them side to side to see how they compare. And by far by far I like this Moonlight better. The one I just drew, yeah, way better. The skirt makes way more sense, but skirts are so hard. How do people draw skirts? And I think it's really hard for me to draw skirts since I don't wear them. So anyhow, I even tried to take all the texture, all the beautiful texture that I used in this illustration and put it on the first one, and it was like, it didn't work. It didn't work at all. But hey, I tried. So drawing something for 31 days in a row, lady tested, lady approved. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm sorry, I'm tired. But anyhow, thank you guys so much for thank you lovely so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself, because I know I had fun coming down to the end. In the beginning, stressful, but the end, it was fun. And I think my muscle memory just got better with this drawing, so I'm so happy about that. So I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, especially my patrons, Carla Finlow, YK, and Princess Auntie for watching this video and supporting me. And I'll see you guys in Saturday's video, which my patrons, which my patrons have to decide on. Anyhow, bye lovelies, bye. Yeah.